Assalamu alaikum. I'm Iqbal, roll number BCSF 13, M038. My project is Servemefast for the EAD semester project Servemefast. Servemefast is the Pakistan first airline laundry online dry cleaning services. A user can come to our home page and can schedule a service after login, and can after scheduling service he can get his agent at his home who can serve him according to his fee. The architecture which I have used for my project is in front of you. This is the GUI layer. From the GUI, request lands to the main and home controller. I used to control the main controller. Main controller consists of all the files that the user have the views before the login. Home controller consists of all the files after the login. And control is passing data to the business layer, and the business layer is passing data to the data layer, and data layer is basically connecting to the DB source, and it's basically it is implementing all the functionality that we want to implement. And one more thing, business layer is dependent on the entities and the data layer, while data layer is dependent on the entities. I'm going to show you the DB schema for my project. You can see there are 4 columns: DB customer, DB messages, and DB order and schedule order. DB customer detail consists of all the details while the user was registering and users want to log in. And DB message contains all the complaints that admin can have from the users. DB order contains all the orders that are pending. You can by design, you can have a look on the design. Pending, completed, and just cancel. I have taken status against every completed, pending, cancel order. And after that, you can look at the design of schedule order. Means when a user can log in, he can schedule order, like he can provide basic info for where we can catch him, we can serve him. And you can see the diagram for the database diagram for my project. Look at the diagram. First one is the customer detail, then messages, schedule, orders or order. There are 4 tables, and this is the database diagram for my project. Okay, coming towards the VS Studio, we have contain all the files. Like I have told you already, that main control consists of all the files which the user of the user before the login, and home control consists of file after the login. And this is my model, quantity model. Okay, I have used Bilal and entities also this project, and I have used the GTOs. Both controls have shown to use both controls, and all functions implemented in it. In main control index is the main landing page, which I am going to write in this CSHTML file. So the see, it is already running, is executing. Okay, here we are on a landing page. You can have a quick overview of my landing page. I have with a slider. You can read more about my laundry here. Okay, this is all designed bootstrap. This is my footer, testimonial whatsoever, and that's it about us. I have used a styling circular. You can see the service I am providing here, and the basic information about the team and footer. Again, these are the table that you must have a look on it while scheduling an order. Before scheduling an order, like washing, iron, dry cleaning, steaming process, all the prices mentioned in this table. Okay, last one is contact. You can contact us, and at the end of the contact here, I have mentioned how a user can complain about suggestions about the Servemefast services. Here you can leave the message, and when he clicks the submit message, will be going to the database, and the way the admin can access the message, we can retrieve that message. I have filled all the boxes. While pausing, I am submitting the message. As soon as let's see, one field is not filled. I'm going to fill it. Not good service. As soon as I click submit message, let's see in the database if the storage is inserted or not. Check the select top to and let's check. Yes, this queue is inserted successfully. Now we're going to log in. Your sign up and sign functionality is on the same page. I can use the Iqbal username and password is Shahzad. I can make the check remember next time. I don't have to mention the password again. Okay, login. As soon as I have the login, I retrieve all the information. We're using the view model approach. name and the city are all is given by the service which is offering to me. And you can watch here. There are 4 options: edit profile, my orders, and change password. By adding profile, I can write the first name. I can edit my first name Ali, and second name Ahmad. Mobile number 0900, and address from Chang to Dharampura. As soon as I execute it, you can see it executed successfully. This queue executed successfully. Name is changed to the address is 090, mobile number, and same like edit profile option. I can change the password by this password must match which I have used the JavaScript here. And here this is the last functionality of my browser, which is most important functionality, my orders, which making very complex. First I have to make a schedule for this order. Let's say I have to fill all the table, and I have to press the submit button, which will go, all the data will go into the database. As soon as I have mentioned all the information in the text boxes and write all the personal comments and choose the time slots, pickup time and delivery time, all that, and then press the submit button, this all values will be entered in the database and schedule order table. Let's check the values. I right click and edit to 1000 rows. Yes, you can see all the rows are inserted successfully in the database. Last and functionality takes me the most time and complex functionality is formatting orders. The orders I have added in the schedule services. I can view these orders, all the pending, delivery, and ended orders here. In the order, I can choose the order date like pending orders. The 0900 is a mobile number. I have written a placeholder there. I can mention the mobile number. I have to mention the orders while writing the text boxes. As soon as you click check, let's click check. So you can see that all the details against the pending order 090 is in the table you are seeing in front of the. I will log out for account and go to the main homepage. And thank you for watching this video. Hope you would like this